name is Gabriel Mchanyo, stage name being Advokate I, Zimbabwe. I'm a music artist, meaning I can do anything musical. On my music production, I'm working with a lot of producers. But just to mention a few, I'm currently working with Advokate of Soft Attack Music, based here in South Africa, Tembisa. Titan UG of Big Speed Music, straight out of Uganda. King Tough Jarino of Tough Lion Music, straight out of Malawi. Alas of Riverbank Records. Then on visuals, photography and stuff like that, I'm working with Shumba Production. Initially, I'm based in South Africa, Johannesburg. Yes, I can say the people around me are really supporting my music with the reception that my single, Gat Garimrudo, got since we released it. I can say me growing up in the ghetto is the whole inspiration behind my music. Yes, I do believe in ghostwriters because it works for others, but personally, I do write my own music. Obviously, everyone dreams big. So in the next 2 years, with God permitting, I see myself as one of the biggest brands from Africa. I don't think the Zimbabwean music industry is a fair working ground for all, because one needs to be in Harare, like to access promotions, airplay and stuff like that. If you are outside Harare, then it becomes difficult for you. Before I say anything about the youths abusing drugs in Zimbabwe, I would like to quote a saying from the late Oliver Mtukudzi song, Traga chikonzero chaita musoro uteme. That's where the whole story is. If we are to find a solution for what is causing drug abuse in Zimbabwe, then we are done. To my fans, I would love to say thank you a million times for the support. It really means a lot to me, especially the support you gave my song, Gat Garimrudo. Shout out to Mzanze Reggae crew, Kosi Queen, So Sister Sekano. The endorsement really changed everything as far as my musical career is concerned. On behalf of Advokate I, the brand, I would love to say shout out to Avok ZW, aka Blessing Jenna. Enough respect, King, for pushing the whole Zimbabwean music industry without discrimination. I would love to big up people like Don Franco Tafari, Tebansi the Firestarter, Mr. G of Warrior One International. Your support really means a lot as far as Advokate I, the brand, is concerned. Blessings. You can find me on social media, Advokate I Zimbabwe, at Zimbabwe Music. For bookings, you can contact my management at advocateIZimbabwe@gmail.com or +27 67 183 6025. Thank you.
Love made me blind and the jawoni muwo world ndiwe wega wani pakaita hondo ini ndokira saka ndokufira rufundirwo chete ruchatipesanisa zvimwe zvese aiwa kwete kazvisatipesanisa vipi zvavanota